Hello, welcome to Binance Trading Guide. From here, let me explain how to trade in Binance. First of all, let me explain how to sign up. If you access to the link below, there you can get to the Binance website page. If you click the register button up here, you will see a page like this. Please also click the button below register now. From here, you'll need to type your email address and password to use. For the password, please mix capital and lower letter and the number and make it more than 8 digits. Below you can see the referral ID. If you like to receive automatic 20% discount from the transaction fee, please enter these numbers in this field. Then, like this, there's an account verification. Check your email and put 6-digit verification code. If you didn't receive the code, please check your spam box or junk mail. When it's all completed, you'll see this page. You can click anything from here. I'll check deposit crypto to start trading. And then you'll see the page like this. Click get verified button. Verify now. In this column, click verify now in basic column. If you just input your basic information, it says that it's been verified. You can deposit without limitation, but you can withdraw only 0.06 Bitcoin per day. In order to increase the limit, you have to do the verification again in intermediate column right here. You can select the country you live in. You have two options, passport and driver license. Select one of the options and follow the instructions. When you complete the verification, you have to wait until it approves. While waiting, I'll explain how to deposit. In this page, click Wallet and click Overview. Click Deposit. If you deposit from other exchange, please click Crypto Deposit. I choose XRP, which is Ripple, to deposit. You can select network and I'll choose XRP here. After that, you'll have your deposit address with the memo. You can deposit to your deposit address in Binance. And then come back to home, click Derivative, and click USD Futures. You'll see this trading page. You can click Trading View to have a better view. If you deposit your coin before starting future trading, you have to move your coin from spot to future. Right here. After moving it to the future, you can start trading. Binance is the #1 exchange for spot and future trading. You can use 1 to 100 times leverage. You can deposit and withdraw within 1 or 2 minutes. I hope you all to win every trade. You can leave a comment below if you have some questions to ask. Thank you.